It's time to boss up. Fix your credit, girl, get at it, get your bag up. Hit that gym and get back fine. Go get that degree, go girl, focus on me. Unlock potential that you didn't know you had in you. Fuck that nigga, hey.
Hey beauty babes, this is Diamond and I'm back with another video. Today I'm giving y'all a video on my new house tour. Right now it's getting painted, it's paid for, and it's mine. Congratulations. I can be about it. But right now I'm just gonna give y'all a little house tour with it getting painted and stuff. I know your girl look a little rough. I don't have no eyelashes on, no none of that. But yeah, deal with it because I'm moving. So y'all give me a thumbs up on this. So here we go. My hair looks rough, y'all. Don't smash me up in the comments, you feel me? Okay, but this is the house tour. So now the painter is here at the house. This is my new home. It's a 2-car garage. They are painting right now as you walk over. Whatever, the door is already open or whatever. As you walk in, it's the living room area. Yeah, baby. Okay, this is the living room area. And then it's like a dining area right here. And then this is the painter. You the painter? You painting?
No, only
electrician?
Yeah.
Oh, electrician. Okay, and this is my electrician.
No, only touching the paint.
Oh, the paint? Okay, don't touch the paint, move. And then it's the kitchen area. It's marble countertops. Stainless steel. I'm about to go purchase me a refrigerator. So I was supposed to be sitting here measuring the refrigerator. So I don't know how big the refrigerator is going to be. And it's the pantry here. Stainless steel dishwasher. And the countertops. A lot of counter space. Pantry. We're going to get more shelves to put off in there. If they don't do it, we move in on the 27th. Okay, so when you walk off in this area, it's the garage area, the door to the garage area. And then it's like, it's like a whole area. So this will be like my office space right here. Because if you close the door, it's big enough. Right, if you close the door, it's big enough. And then I can get some, what is those called? The little sliding doors up there. And then this is like my game room area that I wanted for the kids. Put the pool table right here. TV up on the wall and stuff like that. Game systems and stuff for the kids here. So that's to be the game area. And then the office area. And then as you go down this hallway, okay, she want to tell y'all.
This little room right here.
Okay.
This is cousin room, right?
This your cousin room? Yeah. Okay. So this will be big. Yeah, they know big kid. So this will be my nephew room. And
it's kind of big though.
yeah.
And I like to be by alone, so that's why I picked up next door. But I like to be like in a shelf space.
All right. So this will be big head closet. And it go all the way down there. You guys, the camera does not show how big it is, but it's really huge. He got a ceiling fan here. It is cold. And then, okay. All right, so tell them about your room.
So when you come in, my bed gonna be faced this way.
Okay, she said her bed gonna be faced what way?
This way, because the TV can go on the wall.
Oh, okay, she gonna put her TV on the wall. Open your blinds.
Right here. And I get to see Billy, you play and you pick.
All right.
This is a walk-in closet.
Okay, she got her little walk-in closet. It's spacious.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All righty.
Then let's go to our restroom.
And Okay, so it's a click. You said it's a what, baby?
Extra closet for like towels and
Oh,
desks.
okay. So we got a towel closet right here. Open that for me. Okay. And this is that. Oh, I like y'all tub.
It's two lights.
It's two lights.
Look, y'all see? It's this light, then we put this on, it's that light.
Oh, okay. So they're not finished with the flooring because they got paint on it. So I guess they're gonna lay more towel. Again, we have not moved in. We move in on next Tuesday on the 27th.
I can reach the mirror because
Okay, and so they got the bowl sink in their restroom. That I mean.
we got drawers.
Got drawers. Okay.
Oh, you got a plug.
Oh, you got a plug.
I can take this out and not say this thing if I blow that the lights are right on and light up.
Okay. So, and then this is the big, deep tub. The tub is deep. I love it. So I'm gonna be taking baths in your restroom.
Let's get to the big part.
So let's get to the master's bedroom. When you first walk in the master's bedroom, you want me to do this?
I got it.
Oh, you got it?
I got you.
Okay.
We walk into the king.
The king.
See, you got her.
Okay. It's really huge up in here. Where we going? Okay. We got. Okay. All right. All right. Okay. Do I have a plug over there for mine? Oh, I got a plug. Yes, ma'am.
Then we get into here.
Okay.
We have first space in the restroom.
Okay.
You got the tub.
I got a shower area. I love the backsplash also. Okay. So this is the master's shower area.
You know how it go.
And whatever.
Then when you get over here, you have the closet.
We have the walk-in closet.
You put your bags up there. And your
Put my bags up there, my shoes up there. Okay, all right, all right. Okay.
you got a window.
I got a window right here. Got a wall right here. Got a window right here. Yeah. So where do you think I should put my bed? Right here, and then put my TV on the wall right there? All right, with two curtains. All right. So let's go show them the biggest part, the backyard. Oh, follow you. She say follow her. Don't watch. Don't touch the walls. Oh, and we have another dining area over here. So we're going to put, she want a dining area table.
You should put the TV up there.
Yeah, the TV goes up there because you see they already didn't have nails and stuff up there.
And the couches will go up there.
Yeah, the couches will go over there. So this is the other dining area. It's actually two dining areas, but one is closed off, so we're going to put, make that as my office.
So when you go outside.
Okay, when we go outside.
Say hey to Billy. He's a part of our family.
We're going to say hey to Bentley.
So this is Billy's space.
This is Bentley's space.
And Billy has a big space to run around.
Yes, he does.
And we're gonna put a pool.
I pulled, yeah, the,
Look at that.
yeah, it is. It's a lot of space. So we're going to kind of fix this up here or whatever. We're going to make a little walkway, even though the doors is not right here on this side. But I was thinking about putting like a little hot tub, like my own little cabana area over there. Y'all going to see. Y'all just stay on this journey. But the backyard is so huge.
It go all the way over here.
It go all the way here. And I'm going to put a little plant area right here.
I think we should put the pool over there.
Yeah, the pool man going to come out.
And I'm gonna put Billy a house out here, and his house gonna go right there.
His house going to go on that part over there?
Yep.
All right. And so
The backyard go all the way over there.
the backyard goes all the way down there. That's where we come in at.
Guys, this is officially the house.
Yes, this is official. The house that we got, that we just paid for.
This is not a, oh, we're picking houses. This is officially the step. I'm gonna put a step on the yard.
Yeah. So, we're just gonna plant this all, you know, do a little planting and stuff all around that gate. Huh? You said what, baby?
Somebody had a garden.
Yeah, I know. All back there too.
Put some lights.
Yeah, I was gonna put plants
This is my room.
all right here. She said that's her room. That's my nephew's room.
My Bentley
And I'm playing out right there. I'm playing out right here. Soon as we move in, the pool man is gonna come out and put a pool back here. I don't know if it's gonna go like in the middle because the ground is not leveled right there on that side. So yeah, well, he can't jump in there, but it's gonna be on top of the ground pool. So you guys, it's not like a pool I'm putting in the ground. It's gonna be on top of the ground pool. That's not level right there.
You know, them people know.
Yeah, but yeah, they're gonna put a pool right here, and then we're gonna. No, it's not. That's gonna be too much.
A mini company over here.
Oh, okay. And then we're just gonna have it decorated. But you guys, if y'all gonna stay on this journey with us, y'all stay on this journey with us, and we're gonna keep y'all updated.
I keep saying thunder,
Huh?
Mama. Over there.
Yeah, just keep us, keep y'all updated or whatever on the house tour. And on our journey, we love you, beauty babes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to this video. Don't forget to, oh Lord, I look a mess, y'all. I've been really just working and doing multiple stuff. And, you know, it came down to this. And I'm proud. I stayed up crying all night. So I'm so happy. Y'all, follow us on this journey. And this is our unfinished house tour or whatever.